Knowledge is power, and our inspections are like the doctor's report for your car's health.
We have multiple different inspection sheets. Now they're all digital, it's just a matter of which one applies to your specific situation. Do you need your brakes checked? I have a specific inspection sheet just for brakes. If you're coming in for an oil service, it's the same inspection for each oil service every time. That way you know that you're getting the same inspection, you're getting the same process, everything's getting checked just like last time.
We're able to give you all of the information to then provide recommendations for you and your vehicle, and then you can make the best decisions for your budget.
And if you're in the market for a vehicle, whether it's a pre or a post-purchase, I've got a whole separate process for us to look over a vehicle to help you decide if you do or don't want to buy that particular vehicle.
We have a no pressure environment, and we customize our recommendations based on your own goals for your vehicle. Do you want to keep it for the next 10 years? Are you trying to sell it in 6 months? What can we do to help you meet your goals with your vehicle?
Team Ryan Automotive, your experts in quality.